to make money on Facebook for beginners. So in this strategy, I'm going to share with you how you can get started and start making money using Facebook, even if you don't have any money to start. And also with this strategy, you don't have to cold inbox anybody or try to have, mindless conversations or small talk with people in order to get a sale. With this strategy I'm going to share with you is how you can lead with authority and lead with value first, so that way you position yourself as the expert, and that's how you're going to start to get more leads and sales with this strategy. Now understand, for this to really work at its fullest potential, you must do this consistently. You must do this daily in order to build up your sales pipeline. Now what I mean by a sales pipeline is, in the beginning, if you're brand new to this space, you're brand new to using Facebook for business, most people, they don't know who you are. They haven't built up that trust with you. But if you do this over time, and again, follow the strategy that I'm going to share with you in this video, people will start to inbox you, in the coming weeks, in the coming, months or whatever else, trying to join your business, buy whatever product or service you are offering or anything like that. Now, if you have been using Facebook for business, then this actual learning curve will be a little bit shorter for you, because if you have been consistently posting on Facebook, providing value, being motivational, teaching things and stuff like that on your social media, then it'll actually make the sales process a lot shorter for you, because you have already been doing it, okay? So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel I teach you guys how tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell, and also comment below. Let me know where you're watching from and if you get value from this video once you get to the end. And also make sure you stay into the end, because I want to share something with you guys, okay? So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content. Let me show you how to make money on Facebook basically for free starting out. Now, in order for this strategy to really work, you need to be active on Facebook. So what I mean by active is that you're posting a couple times per day. Also that you are trying to max out your friends list. So the maximum amount of friends you can have on your friends list is 5,000. You need to be aiming to max out your friends list, because the more people you're connected with, more people are going to actually see your content. If you're trying to do this and you only have 100, 300 friends on your Facebook, it won't work as good as it can for you, okay? You want to be adding at least 100 to 200 people per day on your Facebook in order to max out that friends list, okay? Again, I have trainings on Facebook marketing and how you can actually grow your Facebook and everything else, so that way you can leverage it for affiliate marketing or whatever business or offer that you're trying to promote using your Facebook. So what you want to do in order for this strategy to work, and again, you want to lead with authority, and you want to give away something for free for value, okay? Now, what most people will do is they'll just come on to Facebook, they'll just start messaging random people, just having small talk, like trying to figure out, oh, what city are you from, and all this type of stuff like that. Stuff like that that's just really mindless small talk that's not going to get you to your goal. So if you do this strategy, you can actually shorten the sales process, so that way you are actually getting more leads and sales for your business. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to give away something for free. So think about whatever industry that you're in and what you're going to be using your Facebook to promote with. You want to give away something for free, meaning that you want to find out what is the actual problems or struggles that people are dealing with inside of your niche. You want to find a solution for it, and then what you want to do is you want to post on your Facebook, giving away something for free, and it'll actually be the solution to whatever problem that they're having. And then whoever leaves a comment, you want to send them a private message and give them the free thing. So let me go and show you an example of this on my Facebook. So for me, I'm in affiliate marketing and make money online. So most of the things that people want to know when it comes to building a business online or using Facebook or whatever is how they can get traffic to their website, how they can actually make consistent, $100 to $300 days online or whatever. So what I can do here is, who wants my top 6 traffic sources to get more eyeballs to your link website or something like that. And then I will use like a color background because these actually convert a little bit higher because they actually will stand out in the news feed, okay? So I'll just use this and I'll post it. So now that I have this posted, whoever leaves a comment on this post saying that, yes, I want your top 6 traffic sources, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send them a private message. So now they're actually inviting me to send them a private message. I'm just not sending them a cold message, just sending them information that they didn't even ask for. Now I'm going to send them the information, and then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to wait 24 hours. After 24 hours or the following day, I'm going to go through each of those private messages that I sent out, and I'm going to do a follow-up message where I'm going to ask them, hey, did you have a chance to check out the information? And they're going to write back yes or no, and either answer, you want to respond back, okay, do you have any questions about the information that I sent you? So now, again, you have positioned yourself as the authority in your space because now you sent them information that's going to help them inside of their business. And then also, if they have any questions, you're going to be able to answer any questions that they have. And again, this is going to position you as an authority, and you're giving away value that's just going to help them inside of their business. So remember that you want to give information that's going to help them. Do not just give information that's going to be directly related to whatever business that you're promoting, because if you do it, then people are just going to see it as, oh, he or she are just trying to sell me on their product. What you want to do, again, you want to make sure that you are giving away something that's going to be valuable to them, that's going to help them to get lead sales, more income, more sales inside of their business. Make sure you're just being helpful when you do that. Now that you have done that, you have created a space where you can continue to follow up with them and send them more information. So after you have done this, you can wait another 24 hours or 48 hours, and then you can send them a message, hey, just to let you know, I sent you, hopefully that information I sent you was really helpful. And what I want to share with you is something that I'm actually building inside of my business. And this is how I'm able to get more leads and sales inside of my business with affiliate marketing. And I can send them a link. Now, when you send them information through private message, make sure you end everything in a question. The reason why you want to do that is because you leave the door open for them to respond back, and then you can reply back and you start having a conversation. So when I send them the information about the top six traffic sources, I'm going to wait a few days, and then I'll send them some more information like, hey, if you want to know how to actually get more leads and sales and how I'm actually earning more income with affiliate marketing, here's my primary business that I'm promoting. Feel free to check it out and let me know you have any questions. Okay? Question mark. Right? So now it leaves it open for them to reply back saying yes, or I'll check it out tomorrow or when I get home from work, whatever it is, and you say fine. And then what happens? You follow up with them again. Hey, were you able to check out the information about my primary business? Do you have any questions? And that's how you start to open up the dialogue inside of Facebook Messenger, and that's how you start to get leads and sales. Even if they don't purchase something from you right then and there, if they just opt in into your affiliate link where you collect their email address, you now have them on your email list. So now you can actually start to send more emails every day or every other day, letting them know more about your business, showing testimonials of people who are having results with promoting the business that you're in, everything else, right? Now you're just giving them more exposure to your business, and now they're going to be more interested in your business. So again, just how I said earlier, if you are doing this consistently, if you're doing this every single day, you're building up a sales pipeline, and that's how you're going to start to get more leads. And then the more you do this, the more sales are going to come. And the more you do this, the more frequently those sales start to come. That's how you can get started on Facebook and start to make money on Facebook for free. And you're not sending out cold messages or anything like that. You're leading with value. You're giving away something for free in order to get in their inbox to start a conversation. And again, when you do this, you're coming from a position of authority, and they will be more likely to trust you because you led with value. You're giving them something that's going to help them inside of their business instead of just spamming them about your business even though they didn't ask for it. Or you're not in their inbox asking them all these random questions, doing small talk just so you can, just pitch them 5 minutes down the road. People know what you're doing. People are smart, okay? So don't insult their intelligence. Give them help. Provide help, lead with value. And every time you lead with value, you will always win. And again, that's how you start to get more leads and sales using this strategy. Now, if you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I quickly share with you a simple strategy on how you can make money on Facebook and without any experience, without any prior experience or anything like that, without having sending out any cold messages, doing random small talk with people you don't know, or spamming your links, guys, okay? This is a really simple strategy that I have been doing for years on Facebook, guys. So this definitely works, okay? So you can go ahead and check out my Facebook. You can see posts where I have done similar posts where I just ask people a question, where I just ask them if they want access to some training or some information. You'll see that it's a list of comments of people leaving comments saying, yes, I want this information. And then I send them the information, I do follow-ups, and then I let them know about my primary business, and that's how I'm able to get leads and sales for my business, guys, okay? So if you have any questions about this strategy, make sure you comment below. I will respond to them as fast as possible. Also, again, let me know where you're watching from. And if you enjoyed this video and you got a lot of value, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.